Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's get started. Design and display. Let's kick things off with the design. The iPhone 17 Pro Max continues Apple's love affair with titanium, but now with a brushed matte finish that looks slick and feels even better in the hand. It's lighter than the 16 Pro Max, but still has that premium solid build Apple's known for. What's new? Thinner bezels, and I mean razor thin, making the 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display feel even more immersive. It's now rocking a peak brightness of 3000 nits, which is absolutely nuts for outdoor viewing. And yes, it still has promotion with a 120 Hz refresh rate, but Apple's added a new ultra-low power mode, allowing it to drop as low as 1 Hz more efficiently, saving battery without sacrificing smoothness. Camera system. Now let's talk cameras. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with a quad-lens setup for the first time ever on an iPhone. The highlight? A periscope-style 10x telephoto lens. Zoom quality is finally competitive with Samsung's Ultra series. The 48-megapixel main sensor has improved low-light performance thanks to Apple's new Photon Fusion Engine 2.0. Night shots are cleaner and colors are more accurate. Cinematic mode now supports 8K recording at 30 FPS with full ProRes support. Content creators, this is your dream. Performance. Beneath the surface, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is powered by the cutting-edge A19 Bionic chip, engineered with a 2-nanometer architecture. It's insanely fast and more energy efficient. Gaming, seamless. Video editing, butter smooth, multitasking, effortless, especially with iOS 19's new split screen and floating window features. Battery life and charging. Apple claims the 17 Pro Max delivers up to 30 hours of video playback, and in real-world use, it's holding strong. Easily a day and a half for power users. It also supports MagSafe 2.0, with faster wireless charging, now up to 25W, and the long-awaited reverse wireless charging. You can finally top up your AirPods or Apple Watch right from your phone. Eco-friendly and storage. Apple's pushing hard on sustainability. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is made from 80% recycled materials and ships in completely plastic-free packaging. Pricing and verdict. So what's the damage? The iPhone 17 Pro Max starts at $1,299. And yeah, it's pricey. Thanks for watching.